In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule send email in Salesforce without using Apex code. This is a straightforward process that will take about 5 minutes, and it's a handy skill to have when you want to automate your email communications efficiently. Let's get started by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. You should see the gear icon. Click on it to access the Setup menu. Within the Setup, you'll need to delve a little deeper by clicking on Advanced Setup, which will take you to an area with more detailed configuration options. Now that you're in the Setup menu, direct your attention to the Quick Find box at the top left. Here, type in Flows to quickly locate the flow setting. Click on New Flow to initiate the process of creating a new workflow. This will guide you to various options, but for our task today, we need to select the Scheduled Triggered Flow. This specific type of flow is crucial because it allows us to define when we want an action to occur without requiring any Apex code. Next, it's essential to define the scheduling specifics of your flow. You'll see fields for setting the start date, time, and frequency. Take a moment here to think about when you want your emails to go out. Is it a one-time send, daily, weekly, or something else? Make sure to set these details accurately as they determine when your automated emails will be delivered. With the schedule in place, it's time to define the action that our flow needs to carry out. Click on the option to Add an Action, and you'll be presented with a list of actions you can implement. Our focus today is on email, so choose Send Email or alternatively Email Alert if you prefer. Selecting one of these will enable you to craft the details of your email communication. The next step involves specifying the email content. This involves selecting a template, defining the subject line, writing the body of the email, and specifying the recipients. You might have a pre-existing template you wish to use, or you can create a new one tailored to your message. Ensure your email's subject and body convey your message clearly, and prepare your list of recipients carefully to ensure the email reaches the right people. Now that everything is set, the last step is vital, saving and activating your flow. Click Save to ensure all your settings and inputs are preserved. Finally, activate the flow so that the schedule and actions you've set will take effect. And there you have it. Any emails will now be sent according to the schedule you've set, all without touching a bit of code. In a few simple steps, you've achieved email automation in Salesforce, enhancing your communication capabilities and streamlining your workflow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.